So you probably noticed I've been posting a lot of like music videos lately, and you're probably like, what's going on with this guy? His channel's not about that, and you're right. But I am about helping other creators. And one thing I know that's important to a good edit is the music. So I'm here with Stacy. I just met her out here, and she has asked me a couple of questions.
Yeah, about the camera and what you're doing.
I totally understand it. I mean, you see some guy out here filming around doing things, it's like, what the heck is he doing? Right now I'm actually filming a video or a vlog for, he's fine.
Dog. His name is Lito.
Cool dog. But I'm making a video about Epidemic Sound. It's a copyright-free music video website where you can get music for your vlogs.
That's very cool. So you don't got to worry about anything. You just take videos and then you plug in the music and...
Yep, you can download music from their site, put it in your videos, and you don't have to worry about copyright strikes on YouTube.
And then you can still make kind of like your money, because if you get copyright, you can't get money on YouTube. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
That is exactly right.
That's really cool.
And you can get it for free. All you have to do is click the link in the description and you can enjoy a free month of it. Finding the right music can be key to a great edit. And it can be challenging to find copyright-free songs that you can use. But Epidemic Sound offers a wide range of great music that you can use in your vlogs. And not just music. Also, they have sound effects, different FX. They make it really easy to use. And you can try it absolutely free for a month. Just click on my link in the description and you can get a free month of Epidemic Sound. And you can start using these songs in your videos today.